Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma Dandona Sethi and I am a recruiter turned interview coach. I have around 18 years of experience, of which the first 15 years I spent in talent acquisition, hiring for various industries. And since the past 4 years, I've been coaching students and working professionals in areas like resume writing, LinkedIn optimization, and interview preparation. This is my first video, and in this video, I'm going to give you 5 things that recruiters are not telling you. So, I have been a recruiter for 18 years, and I'm telling you the secret which no one else is going to tell you. So, keep watching till the end. So, the number one thing that nobody tells you, as in the recruiters don't tell you, is they do not read your resume. Yes, you heard me right. Reading a resume is actually not possible for the recruiters because they get hundreds of applications for one position, and there are more than one position that they have to cater to in a day. So reading a resume is not possible. So what do? They scan through your resume and they take only around 6 to 7 seconds on an average. Believe me, it can be considered as a superpower as well. So 6 to 7 seconds, they scan through your resume. They look for the keywords, they look for your job title, they look for your location and your tenure. The stability matters. So what is the solution? I'm going to give you a solution for each and every tip that I give you. Okay, so let's start. So when you have a resume and recruiters only looking at it for 6 seconds, what you should be doing? You should tailor your resume as per the job description. Tailor each and every resume as per the job description so that it increases your chances of getting shortlisted and getting that interview call. Secret number 2. They already have a perfect candidate in their mind. So they've created a mental picture of who will be the ideal candidate for this job. So it's very difficult to identify if you are the right candidate or not. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you the solution for it. Keep listening. The best solution for this is use a cover letter which will showcase your talent and your skills, your experience, which is a value add for them. You can also do this in the interview. When you're meeting them on a virtual interview or a phone interview or a physical interview, face-to-face interview, you can showcase your skill sets and tell them how do you add value to that particular role. Secret number 3 is that your online presence matters a lot. Believe me or not, recruiters will Google you, they will look at your LinkedIn profile, they will look at your Instagram profile, and they will also look at your Twitter profile. So whatever you put on your social media is really important. It plays an important role because as a recruiter, we always want to know what's the background. Are they talking bad about their previous employers? Or are they spreading any kind of negativity about any of the current employers, so that it kind of is a red flag for us. So we need to make sure, you need to make sure that you have a very clean profile. You don't put anything negative about anyone in the organization, maybe your previous bosses, your colleagues. Make sure that your profile is updated and it's always clean. You post everything positive and you're talking about good things about your company and your team members. Secret number 4. They are also looking for red flags during the interview. So when you're in an interview, recruiters can read between the lines. They know if you're lying or if you're bad-mouthing your previous company, or if you're not able to convey your achievements and skill sets with confidence. So you have to be careful while you are in an interview. What is the solution for this? The one thing that I can tell you is you have to be confident, you have to be positive. How do you be confident? Always practice your answers. You may get a common list of questions and you can go through these questions and practice. You can record yourself. You can also practice in front of a mirror, or you can ask a friend to do it, or you can call me and practice with me. Secret number 5. Salary negotiation is expected. Every recruiter will negotiate for the salary. However, they do not want to bring it up. They want you to bring it up. So always negotiate for salary. The pro tip or the solution is that you have to ask for what you're worth. So you have to do a research about your salary. What is the salary that you can expect in a particular location? So you can look at websites like glassdoor.com, ambitionbox.com, and do a quick survey about your experience, your designation, your location, and what is the salary that the industries are offering, and then you can negotiate this is that. Remember, while you're doing it, you have to be confident. If you are not confident or not sure about anything, recruiters will pick it up, and that may cost you a good salary. So there you have it. These were the 5 things that recruiters don't tell you, but you should know when you're starting your job search. Knowing these 5 tips or secrets can help you give an advantage in your job search. So be careful, keep an eye out of these signs and signals when you are talking to a recruiter, and make sure you are aware and are mindful of these. If you found these tips helpful, so please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, Grow with Karishma, and we will talk about a lot of things, career and beyond. And I will see you next week in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.